Are you stuck with Broadcom's hardline renewal quotes and feeling like you've got no room to maneuver? Here's the truth. The best way to gain leverage is by showing you have real alternatives. Let's start with third-party support. Independent providers can take over maintenance for stable, mature products, like older VMware versions, CA mainframe tools, or Symantec suites. The upside? You can save 50% or more on annual support fees. The trade-off is you lose vendor upgrades, but if your environment is stable, that can be a smart move. Even if you don't switch, getting a quote from a third-party support vendor can push Broadcom to lower their renewal pricing. Then there are alternative software solutions. For VMware virtualization, Hyper-V, KVM, or public cloud can all serve as viable options. For Symantec endpoint, vendors like CrowdStrike or Microsoft Defender are strong challengers. And on the mainframe side, IBM or BMC tools can sometimes replace CA products. Migrating isn't easy, but even running a small pilot shows Broadcom that you're serious, and that alone can shift the negotiation. Here's the key: you don't have to bluff. Simply letting Broadcom know you're evaluating other options puts pressure on them to be more flexible. And if you're willing to follow through, you can achieve major savings or better terms. At Redress Compliance, we help clients worldwide introduce competitive pressure into Broadcom negotiations, cutting costs, protecting flexibility, and securing stronger deals. If Broadcom is pushing you into a corner, it's time to push back. Visit redresscompliance.com or broadcomnegotiations.com today, and let's put leverage back on your side.